Discover the Amazon Basics Knife Set, your perfect companion for all craft and hobby projects. This 29-piece kit features razor-sharp blades, a sharpening grindstone, and tweezers, all crafted from durable alloy steel. The lightweight aluminum handle wrapped in slip-free rubber ensures comfort and precision with every cut. Ideal for carving, trimming, and chisel detailing on wood, cardboard, fabric, plastic, and more. Stay organized with the included plastic case. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and reliable knife set? The Bosch Knife Set has you covered. It includes 3 professional knives designed for all your cutting needs, from utility work to detailed crafts. Crafted with durable, high-quality materials like sturdy aluminium, these knives are built to last. Thanks to their tool-free blade change feature, switching knives is quick and easy, whether you are working with different materials or need a range of cutting options. This set offers everything you need for professional work. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the versatile Rolson Knife Set, crafted from durable stainless steel that is resistant to rust. Perfect for artists and hobbyists, this set includes a variety of double and single-ended probes, making it ideal for wax and clay carving, cake decorating, and more. Its strong and long-lasting design ensures you can work with confidence on your creative projects. Elevate your art tools today with the Rolson Knife Set. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Stanley Dynagrip, the ultimate tool for your filling and puttying needs. Its high grip contoured handle molded directly onto a fully ground flexible stainless steel blade ensures maximum control and durability. This reliable tool makes your tasks easier and more precise, whether you're working on home repairs or professional projects. Built with Stanley's trusted quality, the Dynagrip is your perfect companion for every job you'll find. Purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the BeaverCraft Knife Set, your perfect companions for wood carving and whittling. This all-in-one kit includes 3 high-quality knives designed for chip carving and roughing out your projects, along with stropping accessories and a protective pouch. Crafted in Europe with ergonomic handles, these tools ensure comfort and precision for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Whether working with soft or hard woods, the BeaverCraft Knife Set makes carving enjoyable. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.